Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Me, I dey like challenge, not be small thing. And wonders they normally say shall never end. See me before you coming to give you the update from Senegal. The Senegalese, they have made Africa proud once and for all. How they go see say na only old people they carry position, they be president, this, that, everything for inside Africa, but Senegal don prove everybody wrong. According to the report about the Senegal election when it take place on Sunday, the 24th day of March 2024. Hear the news in details. According to the report, they can say the Senegal election on Sunday, they said about 7.37 million votes. They can say more than 7 millions. They be youth, mama baby. They be youth were full with blood and energy. They can talk say this Senegal election now be the 5th presidential election for inside Senegal. I really want to be giving you people updates so that everybody will be carried along with what happened during the election. According to the news, they said the 5th president of Senegal, that is called Faye. Na him be name o. Even the name alone, you know say this guy go win. According to the report, they said he was endorsed in November 2023 to become the presidential candidate. And when he was endorsed, he wasn't even in the country, like he not there for inside Senegal. According to the report, they say they don pascare and put am for kirikiri for inside Senegal. See, he spent more than 11 months in prison for a Facebook post. To more post when he post like this, he spent 9 months. Even when they endorse am November 2023, he not there around. They don pascare am since April 2023, and they could later release am. Then he regained freedom just 10 days before the election, and he won. When they arrest him, a lot of people they say wetin be the crime when he commit wey made they arrest him months to when the presidential election go take place. But all the same, wetin go be just because election is around the corner and the youths are really calling his name. The youth really want him to be the president. Wetin happen because of small thing, they say he's giving fake news, his news is not clear, blah 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 blah. They put her for inside Kuje for inside Senegal. Now, a day after his release on 15th May, he gathered a lot of supporters. He moved everybody, almost everybody for inside the country. They were singing his praise. Then they call and say, no, now fire now we need though. Fire must be our president. In fact, as God may have it, just 10 days before the election, that is, he was released on 14th of March 2024. I want to now make una dey follow the details one after the other. He was released on 14th of March 2024, and on 15 na be his first public outing where be say all the youth for the country they gather say na fire, na go must fire them to the next level. One of his main aim is to fight the French, like the France. He's telling them that what they are doing in Senegal, he don't like it, and that he wants his people to be free. He is tired of Africa being under any country because of colonization. In fact, if you see the message when he send, you go know say this one is tired and is ready. You go know say this one are fresh blood and is ready to work for the people. Now, Fire is 44 years old, and according to the update, according to the news, said Fire married 2 wives, and along the line, Fire get 4 children. That is the president of Senegal. Now, may we carry Fire enter election where would they do for Africa? May we use Nigeria. Una know say the age of Fire for inside Nigeria, that they shout today, on your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. They not even know their left to their right. They no even know their right to their left. They don't know anything. They go boom anywhere they push them, anywhere belle face like they face. Una see and say this fire, he did not care to say I want to use money for this election. He not say I want use money to give one person when they release from Kirikiri 10 days before the election, and he won. You go know say the youths, they are really out. In fact, for this act when Senegalese they do, everybody is not talking about it. Everybody though they carry the news, they say, hey, Senegal president is very young in Africa, bra bra bra. They clap, they praise, including the politicians who are there for Nigeria. They are not happy and say, oh, this fire, the president of Senegal, he's determined. Yeah, he's a strong blood. Oh, he have the energy, he have the courage. If una see person of the age of fire, they come for candidate, they endorse am as a presidential candidate or any candidate for Nigeria, any position, una know say e no go work out. But all the same, our people don't still know wetin they want. They prefer the money, they prefer that their belle pass their future. Una see say the youth of Senegal, they were really out. This one, hey, now that they call fire. He really go that place, take the position, know what he wants, and he run away with it. But wetin we dey see these days, your mandate we shall stand. 50 years old man go dey shout your mandate we shall stand. 70 years old man go dey shout your mandate we shall stand. Nobody stand for anywhere. You no wan stand for your own mandate. You no wan make people stand for your mandate. Who go come stand for you? You begin to dey stand for people mandate. When they don't give you money finish, you go forget your life. This is what is happening. And today, the world is rejoicing. The world is very happy with what the Senegalese they did. They stood their ground. They know what they want and they go for it. They say the people who cast vote for there, now young people, now many pass. In fact, they secure their votes. You go fit try for inside some places when I know. In fact, even when the youth rise up, talk say they need wetin they get, they need their mandate. Peter Obi tell they say make una cool down. The time when the water they really dey hot, oh, Peter Obi tell they say make una cool down, make una wan worry, I go collect this thing back. Wetin happen today? We not hear case, we not hear carton, we not hear anything. So if everybody can be like this Senegalese, in fact, they use Senegal now as example. They give the world. They tell they say, oh, na not see wetin Senegal be, but we, if they give you some more money finish, that is all. You prefer me 150 years old man dey inside that position. So now Senegal, I beg una too much. Congratulations for the people of Senegal. In fact, this type of thing, e no dey happen for Africa. E dey rare, e no dey come on, no, but this time around Senegal say they won't change the narrative. They won't change the narrative. But another thing be say this fire, e don dey serve for a very long time for some political seat when be say e hold, and now he don promise the people of Senegal say he go give them job, he go give them everything when be say they need. You know say the people that believe in fire because fire e get the energy. So my people, I say let me bring this update to you so that fire now don dey open our eyes. Senegal don give us example to follow. Which part or which direction do you believe? Do you believe in the young blood? Do you believe in the young energy? I don't really know, but all the same, we just still dey pray say make fire do well as he planned. Make it do well as he promised the people. If not, no say no position go reach any young youth again, no, for inside Africa. If fire not do well this time, it go be mockery. Go say, these people wey don't know about leadership, they say they won't believe them. Not be people of Senegal say they suffer so we are sending message also to fire to fulfill his promise so that he not go push him for people when he believe in him eyes. So my beautiful family, I said let me bring this update to you that this is happening right before us also in Africa, Senegal to be precise. So please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I said your one and only progress the analysis. I give you all the updates back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.